I think it's worth investing in when the feeling is mutual, when both parties are really excited, when, oh God, when there's like these little moments of magic.
Feels good, it fits right. We don't move too quick. Got hers, I get mine. We say, ooh, that's it. Say what I feel is a fact. She said she feel it right back. Got sentimental, lost the momentum. Said what I meant though. Yeah, I got what I give, can't block what it is, and I'm not on a trip or flake.
Hi, good day, guys. Welcome back to Star Pollyanna's channel, guys. On today, let's get some of the preliminaries out of the way, guys. Go on down below, like, comment, and subscribe. Shoot it up in the comment section for your girl Star Polly, where I bring you all of that good, meaty, juicy content on today, or yesterday, day before, last week Sunday. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, do all that good stuff, and also watch all of my other old videos that I showed, because this one is going to be very informative as well. And for all my OGs, hey, high five. So grab yourself something to drink. I'm having a little stevia, so let's get the party started. Yep. Ooh, there we go. Grab a little cocktail, a little beverage, something. Let's get this busy started. This is going to be awesome on today. And this, you guys know I'm on keto. If you don't know, yes, go on over to my other channel, Polly's World. I show you guys, I take you guys on my keto lifestyle more than anything. So cheers to you guys for the new one, and cheers for all of my OGs. Let's take a sip. Love it. So that's my beverage of choice. It's a Zevia. If you're interested, you can have it on keto. It's a Zevia Sizz Apple. It's a kid size, but I love it. But that's not what you're here for. Guys, listen to me.
So guys, on today, my husband and I decided to take a day trip, like a staycation. So I decided to pack my bag, show you guys some outfits that I had in my closet and I'm thinking of wearing, and then take you to the event a little bit. Maybe I'll wear these shoes. Maybe I'll wear these that I'm looking here inside of Target. I don't know, but I just wanted to show you guys some ideas of how you can pack your bag. Very, very informative to some degree. Very, very easy. 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 outfits at most that you can take with you on any given trip. So I decided to take this black jumpsuit-like dress. It's very, very beautiful. And I decided to also take like my jean jacket, this gold dress, and I said to myself, at least 4 or 5 or 6 different pieces. Don't know which one I'm going to wear just yet, but you guys will see as the night progresses. I think I'm going to wear that black jumpsuit. I also had this jumpsuit and a very, very small blue blazer-like jacket that I took with me. Also, as you guys can see, I took my Komodos as well. If you're interested, you can pick those up at shoppollysworld.com. I decided to take a number of about 7, 8 pieces, and I said to myself, I'll show you guys which one I decided to wear.
I used to stick around, definitely not for too long. But boy, you got me hooked and made me wanna write this song. Thought all guys are the same, apparently I was wrong. Let me take you somewhere where we could be alone. You know how people say it caught me unexpected. Well, I really wasn't prepared for all of this love and affection. Normally I would be scared, but I'm aware that you're special. So let me take us somewhere where we could be alone. When I look at you, I see a pretty picture. You're the sun, I'm the sky, and we're so complete. Let me water you, my flower, I'll teach ya how to open up real nice, baby. Why don't we give it a go? Let's dive in a pool of love and sweet. Why don't we give it a go? See, there's nothing in the world like you and me. If it's up to me. Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over till the sirens sound.
As you guys see, the jumpsuit won. The black jumpsuit, because my husband decided to wear a black jacket and a white tee inside, and I just wanted to match him just for this event that we were going to. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this content.
Real close. Real close. Okay, guys, so we just got back in. Yeah, guys, that was an awesome night.
That was a good night.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I had a good time.
It was wonderful. I'm going to get ready now to go to bed. I am exhausted. I want to take my clothes off and go to sleep. If not, see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Tell them bye. Tell them bye.
Bye.
The next day, as we were in the Tampa area, we decided to just have a beach day. After a wonderful night, guys, my husband and I decided to go sit out by the beach. This happens to be the bathing suit that I picked. I picked up about 2 bathing suits I carried with me. This orange one and another black one. And this happened to be the one that I chose to wear on this day. It was really lovely by the beach, guys. Lovely one, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed. The way that I packed my suitcase was really simple, easy, and not even a headache. Was a breeze.
So guys, I hope you guys like it. If you guys enjoyed this video on today, please thumbs it up. Tell me in the comment section what you think about it. I showed you guys everything. Also, don't forget to follow me once again on my handles is on the screen, Star Pollyanna, as well as down below. Listen, until we meet again next time, I hope you guys stay safe, stay blessed, stay sweet. Know that I love you. And if you wish to follow me, you can also follow me on my vlog channel on Polly's World. There I vlog a lot when I go out with my daughter, my family, my girlfriends, my husband, shopping. So you can follow me over there if you want to see more of your girl. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Remember, I come here every Sunday between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. If you see no video after 8 p.m., it means there's no video. But most of the times, I put a video up every Sunday. Take care, guys. Bye.